Hello, good morning, friends. Today, I Aditya again come up with a new and very fresh topic, and our topic is about India and Russia deal. And this is a defense deal. So let's begin our topic. So my name is Aditya Kashyap, and I am ex-Navodian, two times NDA Conference South. And regarding NDA, if anyone wanted my suggestion and my help, then he will comment below this topic. And please, after listening this topic, please also present your views about the topic. That what do you think about it? And let's move to our next slide, that India and Russia defense deal. So basically in this deal, it's a deal of our AK-203 rifle and also a deal of Kamov Ka-226T helicopters. So basically we seen that the deal is signed for the 70,000 assault rifles, which is AK-203 rifle. So if we seen that this is, I will tell you about the specification of this rifle as well as the specification of this helicopter in for our armed forces. So if we seen that after a huge delay, the India is acquiring 200 helicopters, which is which of them 60 is made by the Russia and the other 140 which is made by in India. So let's move to our next slide. So AK-203, the specification of this gun is it is having the 3.8 kg mass without his accessories, especially the scope and different type of lights, the night vision lights, and these all. Without having these accessories, it is having the weight around 3.8 kg, and with having these all accessories, it will be about 5 kg. So if we seen that it is having the range about 800-meter range, and it is a quite beneficial for our armed forces people, armed forces soldiers, that it is having a huge range about 800 meters. So, and we can also see the 700 rounds per minute firing rate, which is a quite higher firing rate, and 700 in per minute. So definitely it will give a great robust to our armed forces and make strong also. So if we seen that it also provide employment and make also increase the make in India process. If we seen that India is procuring about 7.5 lakh rifles, but the deal of 70,000 rifles are finalized. That first deal we get 70,000 rifles in first delivery, and after all, because of the intergovernment agreement, after these 70,000, the other one is made by Indo-Russia Rifle Private Limited, which set up at Uttar Pradesh in Kovra. And if we seen in Korva, if we seen that these also enhance the initiative of Make in India process, and by which our employer get employment due to this. And after move to another slide, it's about the Kamov 226T utility helicopters. It is a light utility helicopters, and basically now move to the specification of it. And if we see in the diagram of it, it is Ka-226T model. And if we seen that it is having capacity to carry the 7 passenger in it, the 2 are in cockpit and the other 5s in the back of the helicopter. And if we seen that these 200 helicopters India purchased from Russia, and out of which that 60 is totally delivered in made condition by Russia to India, and the another 140 will be manufactured in India. So definitely these are manufactured in India by HAL, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. And if we seen that this is a multi-role helicopter designed for the both need, the first one military as well as for the civilian. Like military for the military purposes, for doing the cargo and for the troop transport. And in the civilian, if we seen that it also basically used for the calamities like floods and other calamities in which the food materials and also expelling the people from these conditions, it is quite beneficial. And if we seen that the performance is quite very high of this helicopter, if we seen that there are twin engine in this helicopter, if one will stop working, so another will work as a primary engine. So definitely it's a great advancement and great advantage for our country. And if we seen, it is used for the surveillance, rescue, reconnaissance, medical evacuations, and cargo troop transport. And if we seen that the helicopter cabin is also airframe and made up of composite material. So if we seen that it is having very quite high speed, and the weight of this is around 3 ton. And basically, if we seen that this helicopter will enhance the Indian Armed Forces, and it is also procured by some of it's procured by our Indian Army and Indian Air Force. And if we see the phase one, in the phase one, the 35 light utility helicopters, they are having 3.03% indigenous component. It means that the components of India, that which is totally made by Indian, and it also boosting the Make in India concept. And if we see in phase two, 15% of indigenous components are there. In phase 3, 30 utility helicopters with 30% indigenous components. It means that they are totally made in India components which used in this helicopters. And phase 4, you can see that the 40 helicopters with 62.4% indigenous components. So I think that you all clear about this topic, and if anyone wanted to know and wanted my help for the ND examination, he can uh, drop a comment, or he can also join our Telegram channel. And I will also give my Instagram link in the description, so you can chat me at there by getting your queries solved at there. So thank you, gentlemen.